Well, come on in, guys. Welcome back to YouFloor, the channel bringing you tips and tricks to help you with your next flooring project. However, today we are doing something completely different. That's right. I've always wanted to be a landlord, and now I am. We are in Gallatin, Tennessee, where we purchased these duplexes, and there is a lot that needs to be done. I'm going to do a walkthrough for you guys in just a minute, but I thought, man, this is going to be exciting because I don't think you guys realize that I used to do other things other than flooring, like framing, and I actually did some rehabbing with a guy for a couple of years. So I learned a lot of things on those jobs that I'll be sharing with you over here. And there's probably going to be some things that I don't know about, and we're going to have to look that up together, and you guys are going to be able to give me some comments and advice on how to tackle those projects. So we're going to be able to do it together. This is going to be like a YouFloor Plus type series, all right? So this is the duplex over in Gallatin, and we're going to start here in the living room and show you everything that I know of that we're going to have to take care of and tackle throughout this video series. So this ought to be a lot of fun. Here we go, starting with the living room. Looks like we're going to need new flooring, right? And right here we had an issue with the front door. So that's my first project, is getting this door taken care of, because I have to get the door back in before we go home tonight. Then we're gonna have to call the stair doctor, you know, Z-Daddy. Dr. Z-Daddy, he's gonna come back here and try to work his magic, and I'm not sure if we're gonna put carpet on these and then do the, you know how we did the door trim thing in one of my other videos? We could probably do that there, or we could probably do wood on those. I'm not really sure, whatever's cost effective, but we do want to make them look nice, you know what I'm saying? So venturing on into the kitchen here, transition right there, that'll be taken out because we're going to put new flooring in here. Over here, there's a refrigerator. It's a smaller refrigerator, but the cabinets, there's 6 units, and out of all 6 units, these cabinets seem to be in better condition. However, there's a couple pieces of crown molding missing up there, so we'll have to take care of that and address it. Oh, look, a Lazy Susan. How cool is that? All right, so that's nice, huh? Huh? Not too lazy, that thing works. All right, so there we go. This is the kitchen, so as you can see, there's an opportunity to make this thing look beautiful, and I can't wait to share what we're going to be doing with this, with all these units with you guys. All right, so here's the deck, and I've been told it's a little creepy, and I agree. Over there it's bending down, as you can see, and I look downstairs. I am actually probably going to just rip both of these decks out and replace them. Over there, as you can see, there's some major damage to the floor, so we'll be addressing that. All right, heading into here, here's the bathroom. Not too bad, pretty standard. This, I don't like how this goes, you know what I'm saying? I would like to have something goes all the way across and then put a filler here, or just take it out and put a pedestal in there. But there's no sense in something falling behind there like your brush or whatever, and then you got to get out there and deal with that. So that, you know, there's a water heater in there. Bing, boom, bang. We'll take a look. Pretty standard. All right. All right, now we're gonna go upstairs and take a look at this. Whoa, look at these steps. I can't wait to show you guys the after and the during, because that's gonna be a lot of excitement. Guys, maybe you've got into buying some rental property and having to fix it up, and you're not exactly sure how to tackle all those projects, but you do know how to do some of them. So me and you can get together and you can show me how to do the plumbing and electrical stuff, and I'll show you how to do all the wood stuff, because that's what I do, is wood. I can do drywall and paint, just not what I specialize. You can see that that fan is going to need to have something done to it. Probably a dust brush to start with, or a screwdriver, and you just take it down. All right, all wall plates need to be put back on. Here's the bathroom upstairs. Not too shabby. However, when you see one of those in the floor, that's concerning. I am pretty sure we are going to have to do some major work in these. And again, that's just an opportunity to share with you guys some of the stuff before and after. Very excited about that. Okay, and then this floor in here is a laminate floor. It looks like a 6mm laminate floor, standard from back in the day, like when I first started installing flooring. So we got a lot of pretty floor, and the guy down the road, he offers pretty floor, and we sell that on our website, YouFloor, at a discount. So when we get these things going, you guys will see the before and after, and you'll be like, Z, where did you get that floor? I'm gonna say, go to YouFloor, YouFloor.net. It's not completely up and running and spinning around right now, but Kelly is working on that as fast as she can, which is not very fast because we have all this other stuff going on. We had a lot of floor customers that we needed to take care of and get them knocked out before we could come over here to Gallatin and work on these, because we bought these a couple weeks ago and we just haven't had an opportunity to get over here. But now, this is going to be my full-time job. And as I said, my first job is to get those holes plugged down there in that floor at the front door so I can get that front door back in. So that's it, guys. That's your video for this one right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys will come along with me on the journey as we try to fix these duplexes up. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you guys enjoy videos like this, go ahead and... We interrupt this regularly scheduled video for an important announcement. That's right, you guys. I have something important to announce. So let me explain to you what I'm about to do. For those of you who have been with me from the beginning at YouFloor, I definitely appreciate your support, and I look forward to your support going forward in the future. Thank you so much. The channel has grown and we've almost hit 10,000 subscribers. But I decided to start doing real estate, and I wanted to start working on those projects by myself. Ever since I was little, all I've ever wanted to do was build homes. I used to build model homes out of cardboard and poster board and put the roofs on. I used to get graph paper and draw plans, and now as I'm older, I'm able to do that on a bigger scale. So I wanted to buy houses and either flip them and turn them into gold mines, or buy rental property that has been a little bit distressed, put a little bit of money into it, fix it up, and get renters in there for the purposes of cash flow and being able to build generational wealth in the future for my kids. And so far, that is what the plan is for 2022. Now, we're going to be working on a lot of things, such as this accent wall. This is one of the projects that I started doing on my DIY channel. The channel, by the way, is going to be called Rent This, Flip That. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be doing Rent This, Flip That DIY style or whatever, but the main purpose is for me to go out and find rental properties and go out and find distressed properties and either fix them up and flip them, or fix them up for the purposes of renting them. And I would like to bring you guys on my journey. Now, that all the stuff that we're going to be doing in those videos are not going to be necessarily related to flooring. So I decided, instead of, I thought, why don't do YouFloor Plus or YouFloor on the side or YouFloor real estate version or whatever. And I decided just create a whole new channel, because all the projects that we're going to be doing on those videos, a lot of them aren't going to be related to flooring, and I wanted it to be an interaction channel. So I want to talk to all the trades out there. There's going to be a lot of things that I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So I'm going to be coming to you guys and saying, here's the problem I have. Does anybody have any ideas? I'm going to be looking and doing some research, and I'm going to be watching some videos, and I'm going to be taking your guys' suggestions on how to tackle those, and I'm going to be videoing it on my way. That way you guys can watch my successes as well as my failures. So that's the plan going forward. Look for the new channel to be put up, and I'll have a new video doing a walkthrough of our first rental property. That's all I got for you guys now. Again, thank you for your support, and I hope to see you guys over on the new channel. Till then, take care and stay safe. We gotta find something else to say, huh? That's what we do over on YouFloor. All right, guys, I'll hit you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Talk to you then. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so YouTube will let you know when I put these videos out, because I'm going to be putting out quite a bit soon. And if you enjoy videos like this one, or this one in specific, I know we didn't bring a lot of value, but maybe it was entertaining. So go ahead and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That will definitely help the channel, and I do appreciate it. All right, that's going to do it for this one, guys, and I hope to see you on the next one. And don't forget, until next time, take care and stay safe. Peace.